Here we go, guys. I got it out the water. I'm putting the sock on it now. Perforate it. I got my buddy Ed here helping me out. What's up, Ed? Say hi.
Hey, what's up?
All right, Ed, you got some zip ties for me? Zip
That
ties,
we do.
buddy? All right. Here we go. Now, you guys see here, there's a lip. All right, so you put this down here. Make sure you want to give a little room here. You don't want to bunch up too much. All right. And the whole theory is, I need 2 of these. Now, look. The whole theory is, this is going to be in the water. You're going to have the rocks in there surrounding this, and no dirt will get inside of the pipe and clog it up. Now, I went so deep because the frost in Michigan, meaning frost line, meaning where it freezes, is 42 inches deep. All right, I went 7 feet overboard, so it will not freeze, to say the least. I can leave that on. It's going in the hole. So let me do this. If you guys didn't see my last videos, look, a homemade pump. Ha! I'll show you in a second. There it is. Let me get the rock out and held the pipe out. Boom. There it is, guys. And here's my homemade pump. Okay, I found it at a garage sale. So now I don't got to get in there. And there it is draining. So with that being said, see you guys. I'll be back.